As with your smartphone, when new services are available or an update to the My Citroën Drive Plus system is required, you no longer need to download files to a USB key or go to a car dealer. Your connected vehicle downloads the updates, which you can then install directly from your car. These updates concern only infotainment, such as navigation functions, voice control, and screen controls. They do not concern the vehicle's other electronic systems. Let's walk through the process step by step. It's very simple. When an update is available, downloads take place automatically and a pop-up appears on your vehicle's central screen to suggest installing it. This information is displayed at the end of a trip when you switch off the engine. If you click on Later, a new window will pop up at the end of your next trip. Before you click on Install, please read the information on the page. It will give you the expiry date for the update and the time required for its installation. Then click on Install. Your vehicle will be immobilized for the duration of the update, whose progress you follow thanks to the status bar. The screen may switch off and on several times during the system update. If you wish to travel, please wait around 4 minutes after the installation has finished. When all of the warning lights in the vehicle have gone off, you can start your vehicle once again. Your vehicle is up to date and fully operational. If you wish, you can also leave and lock your vehicle after you have launched installation without monitoring progress. Installation will continue normally. When you start your car again, a message on the central screen will inform you of the installation's successful completion. If installation fails, a message will be displayed on the central screen. If this happens, please contact the support service via the My Citroën application on your smartphone using the tab Contact and Assistance. A new update will be scheduled for your vehicle. Thanks to over-the-air technology, your vehicle is rapidly updated so that you can enjoy its infotainment in all simplicity.